Laboratory experiments are crucial in understanding more concepts in chemistry and anatomy. However, improper handling of apparatuses and chemicals may cause unprecedented injuries. Welcome to another episode, Science Geeks! And today, let's tackle how to avoid injury destroying anatomical models and apparatuses. Let's start with basic, the laboratory rules. First, don't ever bring foods and bring inside the lab. This may cause laboratory device malfunction. Oops, don't wear that. You are not going to the beach. Wear this instead. Yes, that's right. For you to be safe. Because I care for you. Additionally, do not recklessly use apparatuses that may cause cuts like scalpel. Confused about laboratory instruments instructions? Seek for guidance of your professor or other people in the lab. You are not alone. Always seek help. Don't leave your table without sanitizing it. Don't forget to disinfect the table after you use it to reduce the fostering of bacteria and viruses and to keep the lab clean and safe. The use of laboratory is restricted only for exercise and not for this. This no. Moreover, before entering the lab, know the location of the first aid and eye wash section to respond quickly when there is emergency. Lastly, report if there is any casualty, injury, malfunction, or any chemical reaction to your professors. And that's it. Always abide in the laboratory rules to avoid ruining the place.
Handling anatomical model are also crucial. Let's remember, in handling this model is first, always wash your hand. Because dirt and impurities in our hand might cause tinted of the model and distortion. Second is always remember the cabinet storage and place them appropriately. Because reckless placement of the model might cause destruction and ruin the model. Third one is always check your student to avoid the improper use of the model and mislabel, vandalism, and relabel the model. And before ending this video, let's remember that safety and warning need to observe in the laboratory.
First, always wear proper attire. Wear gloves and lab coat or any long-sleeve shirts to avoid any contact from the fluid and to protect yourself from harmful chemicals. Second, protective goggle is a must-have to protect your eye from the splashes of chemicals or a specimen. Third, no matter what the color of the fluid is, it might be mouth-watery, don't ever drink any fluids from the lab. And before using a specimen, make sure to dry, rinse, and pat dry to minimize the use of fumes. And the fourth one, when dissecting, always keep dissecting tray clear of fluid accumulation and turn on the fans and windows should be open. And lastly, students with underlying health conditions like chronic health and respiratory conditions should consult their instructor about alternate learning activities for dissection days because this activity may trigger their conditions. Remembering this will help us ensure our safety inside the lab. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to stay sane, stay safe.